How to cut music in CapCut. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Whether you are creating a TikTok or YouTube video or a personal project, trimming your music to fit perfectly is essential. So let's get started. First, open CapCut and start a new project. Tap on the audio button at the bottom of your screen. Here, you can either upload your own file or use one of the CapCut's built-in tracks. Once your music is in the timeline, tap on the audio clip to select it. You will see white handles at the beginning and end of the clip. Drag these handles to trim the audio to your desired length. You can also split the track at the specific point. Simply move the playhead to the point you want to cut and tap the audio clip and select split. This is great for removing unwanted sections. For more precise adjustments, zoom into the timeline by pinching out. You can fine-tune your cuts and ensure smooth transition. Use the fade tool to add a fade in or fade out effect for a professional touch. Once you're happy with the edits, hit the play button to preview your work. If everything sounds good, tap the export button at the top right corner to save your project in high quality. And that's it. Cutting music in CapCut is simple and powerful. You can now perfectly sync your audio to your video. If you like this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.